A few years ago, building a profitable online store seemed practically automatic. Throw a few $100s at ads, and the algorithm did the rest. In 2021, a minimal ad budget was enough to test products and generate reliable margins. Today, that same budget barely buys enough data to register on a dashboard. The barrier to entry has spiked. This chart contrasts e-commerce ad profitability over 5 years. Customer acquisition costs have multiplied across major platforms, while privacy updates stripped algorithms of precision. This highlights the core defect. Paid advertising is renting attention. When payments stop, traffic flatlines. For an independent seller trying to scale from zero, this environment often leads to capital exhaustion before a winning product is identified. Yet amidst this hostile landscape, one specific storefront generated over $163,000 in revenue over a 90-day period. This store bypassed the entire paid ecosystem. The total budget allocated for advertising to reach that revenue was exactly $0. These figures suggest that success is no longer strictly a matter of how much capital a merchant can spend, but how they use software to navigate around the rental market. The alternative to renting attention is owning it. A piece of native social content posted today can continue capturing viewers months down the line without any ongoing capital investment. Historically, the friction in this model was the labor. Designing a continuous, high-volume content strategy required teams of copywriters, strategists, and editors working around the clock. That labor bottleneck has shifted. Large language models like Claude now handle the bulk of the initial strategy and ideation that once required a specialized marketing team. The process begins with identifying demand. By scanning social platforms for viral trends, a proven product emerges, a 12-valve autocorrector targeted at office workers. These specific parameters, the product cost, the target demographic, and the core pain points, are fed into the system with instructions to act as a platform strategist. In less than a minute, the AI structures 10 distinct video concepts. Each targets a separate psychological angle, from the medical risks of sitting all day to the direct physical transformations observed by users. From those concepts, it outputs word-for-word 30-second scripts engineered for short-form video consumption. The tone, pacing, and hooks are calibrated for vertical feeds. The single highest barrier to organic marketing, the creative strategy, is reduced to less than 60 seconds of computation. With the strategy in place, the focus moves from planning to the physical production of the videos. Even the requirement for on-camera talent can be bypassed through secondary generative tools. Dedicated video models process the written scripts and generate synthetic, authentic customer testimonials. The resulting footage mimics organic, user-generated content natively found on social feeds. Because the production cost is low, the volume of output can scale aggressively. 3 distinct videos are deployed every single day across multiple networks simultaneously. This growth curve tracks the algorithm testing these videos against small batches of users. A flat baseline of around 2,000 impressions quickly identifies a winning angle, triggering a spike past 200,000 views. That influx of organic traffic requires a high-converting destination to capture the sales. The same language model that designed the videos is deployed to build the storefront. It drafts benefit-focused product descriptions and comprehensive FAQ sections and automated email sequences in minutes. By connecting a massive stream of targeted algorithmic traffic directly to an optimized point of sale, the architecture generates a stable conversion rate. Operating a pipeline independent of ad platforms changes the financial math of digital retail. In month 1, the store cleared $38,000 in revenue. By month 2, it hit $61,000, stabilizing at $64,000 in month 3. These returns are possible because customer acquisition cost remains at $0, protecting a larger percentage of revenue as profit. However, this is still an active operational system. Algorithms will eventually suppress older content, requiring daily posting and constant testing of new video angles to maintain momentum. This owned attention asset acts as an engine that must be continuously fed with new data and fresh creative iterations to keep running. This case study shows that high-level strategy is no longer a luxury reserved for large agencies. The technology allows an individual to operate with the same strategic depth as a full marketing department. In the modern digital economy, dominance is no longer awarded to the entity with the largest financial budget, but to those who leverage artificial intelligence to capture and own human attention.